Hey crew, it's been about 2 months since I've flown an airplane or had a layover anywhere, and I needed a little solo adventure. So I'm headed out to this bridge, and there's a story behind it that I've never told anyone. Let's go. Story time. So when I was 20 years old, I worked at an airport that's kind of near this bridge, and one of the guys that worked there said he flew a Cessna underneath this bridge, right under the arc there. Now, of course, being a 20-year-old, rebel, I was like, man, that would be so sick to fly an airplane under this bridge. It's probably against the law. I'm pretty sure it is. But, I mean, how epic would that be? So, a friend of mine and I rented a Cessna, flew over here, and we flew around it a couple times, and there's several arches on this bridge. You're like, which one did he say he flew under? Was it the one on the left if you're going north, or the one on the left if you're going south? We couldn't remember, and we flew over it for 20 minutes talking about it and thinking about it, and eventually we started down the river, and at the last minute we were like, we can't do this is crazy. So 20 years later, I'm finally back here and looking at it. I'm kind of glad I didn't fly an airplane under this bridge. Now I've got a drone, and I'll just fly that under the bridge. Well, that was pretty epic. I really enjoyed challenging myself with the drone flying and seeing what it actually looks like flying underneath that bridge. There's a rope hanging down that you wouldn't have seen in an airplane. And I was worried I was going to crash my drone into it. So yeah, I'm glad I didn't fly an airplane underneath that. But this was fun. What are you doing to get out and explore? Let me know in the comments. I can't wait to get back to flying and going on layovers and who knows where. It's gonna be fun though. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell. You'll get notified when I post new videos. Have an awesome day. See you guys next week.